Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Friday, June 30, 2023. This is the last trading day of the month of June. The month has been strong. We're trading up above the prior month high, and we're going to take a look at that pattern as we get close to this closing of the month here. Let me go ahead and get this set up. Using all four instruments, our setups based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, the overnight session is pushing higher. So from the opening filters library, I'm going to go to the gap direction, click on gap up here. Next thing I'm going to do is go to this price patterns library and put some context around the month. Yesterday closed above the prior month high. I'm going to grab that from the active today section, which tells us what is true for today. So I'm going to come down, find close above prior month high. Right there it is. And then I'm going to go to the indicators library. I'm going to put us above a 10 and 200 day simple moving average. And lastly, I'm going to go to the calendar library. And I'm going to say today is the last trading day of the month. I'm going to grab that from the active today as well. There we go. Now I'm going to click on view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when you are gapping up on the last trading day of the month in a bull market environment where the prior session closed above the prior month high. So you got a strong month forming here. And if we take a look at this, we've got 29 samples here in the S&P, 43 in the NASDAQ, 28 in the Dow, 29 in the Russell. If we look at the win rates on them, most of them coming in a bit weak. S&P 34%. Of these closing above the opening print for the day. For the NASDAQ, it's 51%. For the Dow, 36%. For the Russell, 28%. If we look at the average moves, you'll see the average move to the downside, which is the average loss here, is larger in the S&P than the average move to the upside. That's not the case for the NASDAQ. It's got a larger average win here. For the Dow, they're very similar in size, and then Russell has a larger average loss. So we're a bit mixed on the average moves here. But 3 out of 4 have fairly weak win rates on this. NASDAQ's the strongest at neutral, 51%. Russell's the weakest at 28%. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.